From the Trader Guy, this is Chris taking a look at the pound yen pair, and you can see that we've rallied again during the day on Tuesday, which is a very good sign considering that the stock markets, at least during the American session, have kind of been all over the place. The situation we find ourselves in is that we have broken through a major downtrend line. We've had a very nasty candlestick last week based upon Brexit noise, and then found support at that downtrend line only to rally again. We've wiped out over half of the losses, and I think this shows a couple of things at the same time. It shows the resiliency of this pair. I think we are, in fact, going to go looking for 150. And I think that is a very significant level, not only from a psychological standpoint, but structurally as well. If we can break above there, we will accelerate to the upside. I find this an interesting pair right now because there are a couple different things going on. There's fears about the Brexit, and there's fears about global trade as the Americans and the Chinese continue to trash each other. At this point, the currency market doesn't look like it's convinced that there's going to be some type of global sell-off. All it's going to take at this point is good, sometimes a goodwill between the United States and China to send this pair much higher because it's so sensitive to global risk appetite, or perhaps something good coming out of the Brexit. That's probably what's going to happen to be the catalyst. Structurally speaking, the 200-day moving average offering support now that we've broken above it is a very good long-term signal. So I think a lot of value hunters have been coming back in. It looks like it's only a matter of time before the 50 will cross the 200, which is the golden cross for those who believe in such signals. And it just adds yet another reason to think why the buyers may come in. So while you're hearing all of this doom out there, this market has been gradually grinding higher and shown signs of life. So this is a perfect example of pay attention to what the markets are telling you and price, not so much on the headlines. If we break above 150, I would anticipate that we would go to this high rather quickly. It would be an obvious turnaround. And I think we have broken the downtrend in the British pound in general. I think it's going to show itself here first.